Hi, welcome back! Today I'm making summer vegetable salad with kefir. Ingredients: 4 middle-sized potatoes, eggs, radish, cucumbers, cilantro, green onions, dill, kefir, and bologna. First, boil potatoes and eggs until tender, cool and peel them. Second, bologna and cucumbers cut into cubes. Cut green onions, dill, and cilantro. Next, sliced radish. You can use radish leaves if they are young and fresh. Peel boiled potatoes and dice them. Prepare a mixing bowl, combine all ingredients and add kefir in the end. Consistency can be thick or liquid. Mix well all ingredients together, add some pepper and salt and mix again. Finally, let's sit for 15 minutes to allow flavors to melt. Vegetable salad with kefir is the perfect for a hot summer day. The crunchy texture of radish and dill are combined with incredible aroma and making this salad flavorful. Thanks for watching and let me know what's your favorite summer meal.